Okay, let's generate fake data for the comments entity. Okay, so as the same two functions, so private comment data. So this will return, I'll just copy this, an array of partial comments entity, of course. So this will be, yes, the comment entity. And I'll just copy this, put it here, and the comment contains a body, but it's I would put it lorem.sentence is sentence, so it only like a couple of words, and does not have a word, a title. Sorry, it have a user, so I will keep this the same, but it needs posts. So I will just show you. So it needs post. So I guess you know what we will do. So I'll copy this property, paste it, called it posts. It would be, I just want to copy the post entity here. So it's the same thing. So this posts equal empty array, and when we save the fake data, we will pass a callback function which will store the saved data inside the posts entity. Yeah. Yes, just like that. So the same logic for the users. Now we have the array of posts. We can down in the comments, just so post will be random dot array element of this dot posts, just like that. And we also need to handle the case when the entity is comment entity. So case comment entity, I'll just copy this one and add the comment data, and we don't need the callback function. So yeah, just like that. And in the app service, which I was talking about it here, so we need to await the promise that stores the post entities, and it will then stores them inside this posts array. Then we will need to generate fake data for the comment entity. So let me run it. So okay, I just ran the npm run start, and it ran everything. I'd mapped the controllers, and now if you go to the database, so here's I opened the comments table. So as you can see, we have the body as a small text, one sentence, and we have the user ID and the post ID. They are like more than 200 users, because I didn't delete the database from the previous video. Okay, thank you.